This is me, Driti Patil. I live in United States of America. The school I study in is Creekview Elementary, 2nd grade, Disciples class. The title of my story is The Magical Four-Clover Leaf. I prepared the story on St. Patrick's Day. The main idea of the story was friendship and hard work. The main characters of the story was Olivia and Alexa. I created this story because everybody could know what to do. Like, you could help friends. You could be kind. You could do anything that's kind. But the thing is, I created this so nobody could give up. The moral of the story is to be bold, never give up, and never break up with a friend. And by the way, if you ever guys heard, sometimes 4 clover leaves could be around you. Just find out for more parts. I'm so glad GEMA gave me a wonderful opportunity to join this contest. And this can also help you. I want to become an author when I grow up. Maybe you want to be. Everybody can become an author, or they should. It also helps us on writing and English. Thank you.